Alright guys, so I want to make a quick video on the JL 10TW3 stealth box that is behind that back seat in this Tundra. They literally take up no space. It doesn't take up your back seat. The song I'm going to be playing is called Digital Eden by Reserve. I don't want to get copyright infringements or whatever, so we're just going to play a few seconds. And I just want to show y'all kind of how hard they hit and how clean it sounds. I don't know if it'll pick up through the radio or through the phone, but we'll give it a try. What you guys think. Things hit pretty hard for some shallow subs. If you're gonna get some shallow subs, I definitely recommend the JL 10TW3s if you're limited on space. Put any questions down below if you have any. Thanks guys.